It finally happened. My boy Omar, he's reached stage 3 of being a car guy. Now, in case you need a little bit of a refresher on what the stages are, you know, the first stage is you have a vehicle, you don't really like the prices that the mechanics are charging, and you know, you need brakes or an oil change. You don't really like the prices they're charging, so you do it yourself. And you know, you start learning, okay, brake change easy, whatever, oil change easy, whatever, you know, small stuff like that, right? The second stage of being a car guy is you start looking at your car or your truck and you go, hey, you know, it was pretty easy, like, fixing that stuff. Maybe I can, like, you know, get some nicer parts. I upgraded a little bit, like, you know, maybe we'll start off super simple, like some nicer wheels and tires, and then maybe I'll put in, you know, a bigger air box or a nicer air filter, and then you'll get into, like, well, maybe we can change the sound system, you know, maybe we'll, you know, minor stuff, right? And then, you know, stage 2 sort of has 2 stages where you go from the minor stuff to, you know, it's got a turbo in it, but they make a bigger turbo and it says it's bolt-ons, so, you know, how hard could that possibly be? Or say you have a truck and you want to put a lift kit on it, lift it up a little bit, you know, you start doing more complicated stuff. That's stage 2. Stage 3, he just called me up and said, hey, I want to get a project truck. Not only did he call me up and say, hey, I'm ready for stage 3 of car guyness. I want to get a project truck to work on. Not only did he call me up to say that, he called me up and said, I have already found the project truck. This is what I want to get. Let's go take a look at it. It's a little bit of a drive, about a 2-hour drive, but I fucking got my ass in gear and we're going to take a look at a truck. Not just any truck though. This is like it's an older, it's not like, okay, some of you guys that are a little bit older than me will be like, that's not, that truck came out when I was like 40 years old, like whatever. To me, it's an older truck, okay? It's like, I think it's either a late 80s, early 90s F-150. It's a nice looking truck. The guy only wants $1,000 for it. It's a 2-door long bed, depending what's under the hood, depending on if it drives. But I mean, still $1,000, especially today where like shitty crap used cars are going for tens of thousands of dollars. Like a freaking Ford Focus will cost you $9 grand right now. So for $1,000, even if it doesn't run, that's kind of a steal. So we're gonna go check it out, and I'll see you then. All right, so this is it right here. Nada. Nothing?
Yeah, the battery is not.
Alright, that's fine. Battery's probably completely kaput then.
Let me go get a battery.
There's no tears on the interior. All the windshield is in one piece. The rear window's in one piece.
Yeah, just a little trim around there with this.
Yeah, I mean, you can get that anywhere.
Yeah, yeah.
They probably still make it. It does have an aftermarket stereo, so that'll probably have to be redone, since nobody knows how to do wiring, but you know. Bed liner, and it's a drop-in bed liner too, so I doubt your bed is rusted at all.
Oh, the bed liner is
Hit the gas pedal. Okay, that's good. That's good. No, it sounds smooth. I'd say do it. Take it. Absolutely. We got our trailer hooked up. Tiny little U-Haul trailer. Think the truck will fit on it? It should fit on it.
Oh, you should definitely.
Yeah.
If not, we're gonna
it's a
make
single cab, yeah. I'll use freaking plywood. Don't tell U-Haul, but I'm down to use fucking 2x6 to extend the trailer length. I am not past that at all. So.
Oh yeah, he's fitting on there one way or the other.
Oh yeah. So now we just got a nice little hour and a half drive to go pick up the truck. So So they're gonna pick it up with a forklift, which I almost never recommend because it's a really good way to fuck shit up. But I figured we'd throw it in neutral and push it.
How to pull out the roller.
Yeah, pull it and then push it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I figured we were gonna do to begin with.
Yeah. Because if we leave it up on it, it might bend the shaft. The drive
Yeah.
shaft or something.
Yeah, it's either gonna bend the drive shaft, it could fuck up the front. Well, it's a decent truck, so it shouldn't fuck up the front.
Barely making it.
Oh yeah, look at that, just freaking barely. Look at that.
Yeah, it didn't make it.
That air smells great.
Is it steel gas?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, it's gas.
Smells nasty. This thing went right up into the gas tank somewhere. I'm not sure where. Oh man, it doesn't even smell like gas anymore. It smells like nail polish. Got our airbags aired up a little bit above 30. Usually I go 35, but this thing's so lightweight, I really don't need to go that high. It's already pretty stiff in the rear. If I find I need it, you know, any lower, oh, this stuff will fall down. I gotta cable manage some shit down here a little better. All right, we just got all the tires aired up because U-Haul gives a trailer with flat tires. I went ahead and punched a big ass hole in there and just let the whole fucking thing drain out, so we're good there. And yeah, if you were ever curious if you could haul an OBS Ford single cab with a long bed on a U-Haul trailer, you absolutely can. They're gonna tell you you can't, so just tell them you have a short bed. Because it absolutely works with the long bed. As long as it's a single cab. 4-door, not happening. Here we go. Got it to where it needs to go. This thing tows so well. Every time I go to tow with this thing, I forget just how well it tows. I fucking love it. Mainly I love the airbags. All right, let's see if I can back up the trailer. Let's see if I still remember how to do this. It's been a couple years. Oh, I used to do it every fucking day. Okay. Let's see. Yep, brakes off. All right, good. gonna make it through. Oh yeah. Only thing I'm worried about is the AC unit. And my mirror. Okay, so now I want to check because I think I'm gonna have to angle this to roll it off. So my only thing is I don't 100% know if the brakes work. I'm sure they do, just fine.
Well,
But if
we know the emergency brake work.
Yeah.
How to put that on?
Yeah. So if it just starts to roll off, just fucking don't hit my trailer, please. It actually does run and drive, but the gas tanks are fucked.
Because I just that before.
Yeah,
Your
gas-
coming from.
Gas tank's fucked. But we took the starter fluid and sprayed it, and it ran just fine. Yeah, we're pretty sure he was dumping ATF into it to try to clear out like injectors and stuff. Because you can do that. You can put a little bit of ATF into fuel and clear out the injectors. But I think he put too much because it was like dark red. Yeah. It almost looked like you know that the red diesel that you put in like farm equipment and stuff. At first, I thought that's what was in here.
Oh, you just come by it? Oh yeah.
Yeah, he pulled up over there while I was backing up, blocking traffic.